Hi YouTube, welcome to Chaos Core Tech. My name's Garrett and today I'm going to show you some 3D printed stuff. So pretty much everyone knows what a 3D printer is, but when people find out that I have one, their number one question is, what can you do with it? And that's a difficult question to answer because you can really do just about anything with a little bit of creativity. I find that people see news about 3D printing projects that are large in scale and not very feasible for everyday in-home use. So in this video I'm going to showcase some smaller prints that are more useful around the house. All of the objects you'll see in this video have been downloaded from Thingiverse, and I'll put links to each of them into the description. Also, if you haven't heard of sites like Thingiverse, you should check them out. It's basically just a site for people to share 3D object files that you can download and print for yourself. And it's a great community of people who just want to make some cool 3D printed stuff. Now I'm going to show you some things I've 3D printed. And I've got footage of them printing, so I'll show that at the end of the video if you'd like to stick around for that. First up, we've got some shark clips. These are one of the most popular items on Thingiverse. They're a really quick print, and they're kind of cool because they print in a solid piece, but they still have some moving parts. They're not super powerful clips, but they work great for bags of chips and things like that. Next up, we've got some chopstick trainers. You just slide some chopsticks in and they make using them much easier, and they're really fun for kids. These only take about 15 minutes to print, so they're a super quick print, and they're kind of a fun conversation starter if you're eating Chinese in a group. Then we have an SD card stand. This is a pretty standard print and it just pops together. It'll hold 11 SD cards and it looks pretty nice sitting on your desk. As you can see, you can just slide SD cards right in there, holds them really nicely. And Thingiverse actually has quite a few different options for SD card holders, so you can find the right one to fit your needs. Next up is a battery holder. The person who made these did an excellent job. There are different models for AA and AAA, as you can see here. And they even have extenders, so you can add more on here if you need to store more batteries. And the great thing is they stack. So they work really well together and they look very nice. These are quite a bit longer of a print. They took me around 3 hours to print a piece. And they can be a little tricky if your printer suffers from warp issues. But it's well worth it because they make managing your batteries so much easier. And finally, we have a bag holder. These things are amazingly useful. They have 3 little hooks that you can hook bags on, and you just hold it like this. These things are very durable. I can pull on them as hard as I can, and it won't break, so you can carry a lot of heavy bags. When I hand these to people, they're always shocked at how durable these are. So there you have it, some simple stuff you can download and easily print that will come in handy around the house. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you'd like to see more like it in the future. Also stick around if you'd like to see all of these objects printing. That's all for me. Thanks YouTube.